Hello everyone. In this video, let us see the implementation of stack with the linked list. So actually in previous video, I explained the implementation of stack with arrays. Okay. So in this video, let us finish. This one. So first of all, let us see the problem statement here. You must implement the stack data structure using a singly linked list here. Okay. So next, create a class named stack, so which supports the following operations. So in all in order of one time complexity. Actually, uh, in the previous video I didn't explain actually time complexities for push and pop operations. So it takes order of one time complexity. That is constant time. Okay. So no loop involves. Okay. Function may contain so the n number of statements. Okay, but it takes constant time to execute each and every time. Okay, that's why order of one time complexity will get it. In the same way, we need to implement the stack by using linked list also now. So first of all, get size is given. In this method, we need to return an integer. Which it's going to return the current size of the stack. Next is empty. So already we implemented this in array implementation. This one we need to return so the boolean value here, true and false type. So here we need to check whether stack is an empty or not. Okay. So next push operation, it doesn't return anything. So just it accepts an integer and after that, so puts that integer at the top of the stack. Okay, next, so the pop, this one also not returns anything, removes the top element of the stack. If it doesn't nothing, if the stack is empty, okay, it is not required to perform anything if the stack is empty. So next, get top. So this one, from this method, we need to return an integer and it gets the topmost element of the stack. So returns -1 if the stack is empty. Okay. So input and output format and sample inputs, outputs, constraints, everything is given. So you gone through later in from Coding Ninjas platform. So directly I'll explain the program now. So actually, so you can check here. This one asked in some 20 plus companies interviews. Okay, it's an important, and you can observe the coding screen here. Already the node class is given. Okay, so before going to watch this video, so first of all check whether so you have knowledge on linked list or not. Okay, if not, first of all gone through the design linked list program. So already I done one video. Okay, after that, so if you observe this, you can feel easy, you can understood. Okay, otherwise you feel difficult. So here some constructor, get size is empty, push, pop, get top methods given. We need to fill the code in this. Okay. So how we can finish this? So let us discuss now. Okay. First of all, let us focus on the constructor part. Okay. Next of all, let us focus on push and pop. With that itself, I am going to complete so is empty and get top methods also. Okay. So let us see now. So initially, in the linked list implementation, also you observe this. So we take head pointer to the none. Okay. Initially, so head pointer. So we take it to none. Okay. Remember this. And you already observed this in linked list implementation. Okay. So now the first thing is push. First, let us focus on this. This one we are going to design. Okay, head pointer. Initially, we'll take it to none in constructor, and so apart from that, so I'm going to take size also. Initially, I'll take size as 0. Okay, so let us consider some push of 10. Okay, so first of all, what is the very first step we observe in the insertion operation? Insertion at beginning, middle, or else at ending. First of all, we need to create one new node with the value whatever we got. Okay, so first of all, I am creating so one new node here. Okay, initially, so to where next pointer has to be pointed, I'll explain. This is the new node. Okay, so or else let us take here. This is the new node we have now. This is the very first step. So with the value whatever we got, okay, from the calling function, with that we should create a new node. Already node constructor is given, okay. So we are going to create the new node. After that, so the second step is, so for suppose, okay, if the head is pointing to the none, okay, initially. So head is pointing to the none. Whatever it may be. So the thing is, whatever the new node we created, so that new node next, so we should assign to the head node here. Okay. So this is the process we need to implement. So what I am saying here, the new node next, we should so assign to the head. So what is head? Head is pointing to the none here. Okay, right? So this is the second step we need to perform in the push operation. Okay, and so the next to do this, now whatever the node is inserted, so this one has to become so the new node, head node here. Okay, because you know the stack working principle, lost in first out. Okay, whatever the nodes are going to be inserted in the top level are going to become so the head node. With the same head node reference, I am going to perform pop operation also. Okay, so fine. So after this, what I am doing here, head reference, I am updating to the new node. Okay. So this is the third step. Okay. So the first step is new node creation. Second step is connecting new node next. So third one is updating head reference. Same operation. So we need to repeat. So let us take next of all. So push of 20. So what we do, first of all, we create so new node. Now this is the new node, current new node. And what is the next step we perform? So the connecting next. So what I said, to where we need to connect the next. So next we need to connect to the head. So what is the head node now? It's 10. Node 10. So is the head node, right? So 20 next, what happens to connects to the, so 10 here, okay? So afterwards, what is the third step? So we need to update so the head address here, okay? Head address, so we need to update to the, so new node here. So this is the push operation, so guys, okay? So with the linked list, already observed with arrays, okay? Now with the linked list. So now let us so apply the pop operation. So now what we need to do, I'll explain, okay? So have a look. So actually, so I told you in some platforms and some programs, okay, it's required to return so the value after performing so the deletion operation. So but here, so they said one thing: if stack is empty, okay, it's not required to do anything, okay. So if it is not empty, just we should delete so the topmost node. That's it. What is the topmost node now? Least recently, so we inserted so this node 20. Okay. So simply what we need to do here on applying so the popper operation, head address we need to update so to the next of head. So what is the next of head? So this is the next of head. Okay. So head we need to update like this simply. So simply by updating so like this, okay, we can make deletion of this. So actually there is no linkage between this. Okay, a garbage collector will go for making collection of this. It's not required to explicitly delete this node having value 20. Again, if we go for so performing applying pop operation, what happens again? A head is going to be updated to the next of head. So earlier 20 to 10 it's updated, now 10 to so none. What is the 10 next here? 10 next is nothing but none, right? Okay. Again, so if head is going to be pop, so pointed to none. And again applying pop operation. So head is pointing to none, right? It's not required to perform any operation. Okay. So if it is top, if it is not pop, simply we should return so the head data. That's it. It's not required to update head to the next of head. Okay. If it is pop, so we should update head to the next of it. That is the change between pop and top here. Okay. And is empty, you all know. So if head is pointing to the none, okay, we can consider that it's an empty. And size, we are going to perform increment operations. I'm performing insertion operation. So we go for incrementing on, so performing, so pop operation. So we go for decrementing. So like this, we go for increment and decrement operations on the size. Okay. So this is already, you know. So let us complete this process now. Okay. Let us complete the implementation part. So what I said, the very first step is initially we should take head pointer to none, right? Okay. And after that, so we need to take size to the zero. I have to use size in the multiple methods. Okay. That's why I taken this one as instance variable here. Okay. So next, the thing is get size. Okay. So just simply returning, so size. Okay. It is going to be completed. Return so the self dot size. What I said, what is the thing? We should check for empty. If for suppose head is pointing to the none, okay. So we need to return so true. Yes. So Boolean value we need to return already observed in the problem statement. Okay. So if not, we need to return so the false. Okay. That's it. So now we are left over with so push and next of all so the pop methods. Okay, it is completed. What is the very first step I said? Okay, first of all, so we should create so the new node here with the help of node constructor. To the node constructor, we should pass the data whatever we got from the calling method. Okay, so data is passing to here. So node is initializing. So with the data and initially next is pointing to the none. Okay. And after that, what I said, what the next thing you need to do that new node next. So we need to connect to the head node here. Okay. To the head, we need to connect. So the new node next. Afterwards, head address, we should update to the new node. Simple. Three steps. Okay. New node creation, new node next to head and head. So here actually we need to regular single linked list creation process. You didn't observe the changing of head address, but here it's required to work with the head address here. Head address we need to keep on updating push and pop operations. Okay. So next, let us take so the pop operation now. Okay. So what I said. So for suppose if it is empty, it's not required to perform so the anything. Okay. So it's not required to perform anything. If it is not empty, so what they said actually simply we need to update. So self dot, it's not required to return anything here. Okay, returns nothing. I hope you observed. So simply head address we should update to the so head next here. And apart from that, so size don't forget to decrement so the size here and incrementing so the size in the push method. Okay. So remember these two so things we need to increment size by one. So in push operation, in pop operation, we need to reduce size by one. Okay. So here in top also we need to check. Okay. If I suppose if it is empty, okay, we need to return so minus one here. Okay. So you already observed the get top here. Okay. Gets the topmost element of the stack. Return minus one if the stack is so empty. Okay. Next. So if not, if self dot is empty means if stack is not empty. Okay. So then we need to return so the head node data here, which is the topmost net data. Okay. So let us check by run and submit. All base case all executed. Let us submit. Fine, working. So I hope so each and everyone understood. So the implementation part of stack using linked list here. Okay. If we don't know how many elements has to be stored, okay, then it's better to be use a linked list. You already know this. Okay. So let us meet in the next video. Thank you, everyone.